this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Sweet Candy Cane Bundle and Christmas Banners Bundle, which are both part of the Sweetest Christmas Suite. Say that 10 times fast. All right, here is my first candy cane card using the Sweet Christmas Designer Series paper and the dies from the candy canes. So here is the, let's see, here's this bundle first, the Sweet Candy Canes. This is part of the Sweetest Christmas Suite. So there's a lot in this suite of products. So I love the right and left candy canes and the die, which I made a template for, which I'll be showing you in another video for another card. And then lots of really nice sentiments here. Yes, and then this little die here, you could stamp the little candy cane wishes, mistletoe, kisses, and then pretend this is a candy cane. You can put the candy cane through here and create this fun little tag for your candy canes. The next bundle is the Christmas Banners Bundle, and that is also part of the suite. So you've got all these cool banners and leaves and holly berries, and so I added some of those and the banner as well. And then we have the Designer Series paper, and you can cut out the candy canes in this first sheet right here. So here's the one candy cane, and then here's the other candy cane. So super, super cool that you can do that. I have so much glitter on here. I'm noticing all the glitter. Okay, how did I do this? Did I do it like this? Okay. So it has fun stripes and candy cane paper. So this is the paper that I used for this card. I'm going to show you a little trick with this paper too. Some more candy canes and more stripes. So let's see. Let's start with the pool party card base. And then I have some of the Designer Series paper cut to 4 inches wide, but I haven't quite cut the length yet. And that's because when I cut out this die, I want to be able, see, you can only see the pool party, and I move it over and you can see all the colors now. So I want to line it up with the right colors. So I'm just gonna put some glue on this, or a better idea would be to cut this out with a self-adhesive sheet. That would have been a better idea, but I always forget. So it's okay, I can use liquid glue. So we're just gonna put some all around the edge, and then we'll put some down these really long, wide ones. We might need some on the long, thin ones too. Maybe some just dots. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, 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 dot. Missed. Just keep those little guys down. Okay. Maybe a little bit there. So now we can line this up. Ah! So let's see, where did we see the most? Here? No, I think it's here. Yeah. This is where we see the most colors. So then you can just lay that down. Okay, so now I'm gonna trim this. So I'm just going to put this right here, a little bit past 5 1/4, because I need to trim off some of the green as well. So hopefully that isn't too close. Maybe I should move it just a little bit more. Okay. And save this piece. You can use it to create other cards. Okay, so 5 1/4. 5 1/4. Okay. Now we're gonna do these, get these down to 4. Okay, 4. So crazy, I'm actually going to lay this down flat because we're already adding dimension on the elements. So I'm just gonna lay it flat. Okay, now I have cut out a deckled rectangle and I'm gonna put that on dimensionals. And then we're gonna do something fun with the candy canes. I'm gonna use Sweet Sorbet. And if you have a really juicy inky pad, you can try embossing it, or you can use Versamark to help you emboss. But my my Sweet Sorbet ink is very juicy. So I'm just going to use the ink. Okay, so the trick is to have everything ready. So I've got my clear, nope, that's white. Make sure you have clear embossing powder ready. I'm gonna move those out of the way. I'm gonna get my heat tool. I wanna heat it up right away. Okay. And I'm gonna ink this up. And stamp it really well. And then as soon as I stamp it, I'm gonna pour the clear embossing powder on it. And just be super generous and just very lightly tap. Because you wanna keep all of that on there. So I'm just gonna move everything aside because I'm gonna do it again. And you can see a little bit of shiny on there. Got a little bit of powder on there. So it makes the candy cane look more realistic, kind of, not really, but it's fun. Gives the candy cane some shine and shimmer. Okay, so make sure we've got everything ready again. Okay, so now you can cut these out using the dies, or you can already have them cut out like magic. And then we can put them on the card. Right now I'm gonna stamp the little sentiment and banner. So I have a piece for the banner and I'm gonna do Sweet Sorbet again. So I'm gonna stamp the sentiment, 'Tis the Season. It's nice because it's already rounded. I'm gonna stamp a couple of the leaves from the candy cane stamp set. And then I'm going to cut these out. And it's nice because you have 2 of these leaf dies. So you can cut them both out at the same time. Okay, so now we can finish putting the card together. I'm gonna use some glue dots for the leaves. Actually, I'm gonna put the banner on first. So I'm gonna do, not there, about right there, about right there. Okay, these stamp sets just go coordinate together so nicely. So we'll put 1 on this side. And we'll do one on this side. And then I have a little extra piece to put in. I'm just gonna trim off the bottom two. I'm not gonna use those. We'll just tuck that in there too. And then we have some of the seasonal sequins, also from the suite. And I'm gonna do gold. And these come like in a cardboard piece, but I just took them out and put them in a plastic bag that some of the other embellishments come in, so it's just easier to use. So I'm gonna do 3 on this side. And I'm gonna do 3 on this side. And there is our cute little candy cane card. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase either bundle, and you'll get supplies for 2 of each of these 3 designs. Just use my current host code when you place your order or place a $50 order, but please email me and let me know that you want this candy cane card kit so I can send it to you. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial with cards from the Sweetest Christmas suite. It's one of my favorite suites in the mini catalog, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live and share more video tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.